Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, portrait of a country gentleman, Georgian period. English school, circa 1800, oil on canvas, circa 1800, late Georgian, early Regency. Oil on canvas circa 1800, late Georgian, early Regency, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal begins with the sitter, the face, costume and pose create a direct period presence, the kind of image that holds a room without needing explanation. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details, composition, restoration, framed presentation. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Oil on canvas is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation and a clear route to inquiry.